All right, what's going on? Back again. So today we're working with list, and we're going to be creating lists with the square bracket. So in order to create a list, or what is a list? A list is just, it holds a bunch of different elements. It could be empty, which is 0, or it can have as many as you need. And usually they are separated by commas, and then they're surrounded within square brackets. So we're going to make a list that is called weekdays, which are going to just have the days of the week. So let's go ahead and do, I'm just going to abbreviate just to make it faster. So Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and then I think that's how they abbreviate Thursday, and then Friday. So these are the weekdays. As you can see here, we got, it's within a quotes, and then they are separated by commas. So this is how you create a list. It has to be, we can also be any of the data types of Python. So this could be strings, numbers, characters, whatever. So in our case, all of them are going to be strings. So we got Monday all the way up to Friday, and they're all separated by commas. And they have to be separated by commas or it's not going to work correctly. So right now we got a value that is considered weekdays. We can print out the values of weekdays by doing it this way, and it'll give us all the different values that are within the list, as you can see here. And then also we can get the actual values of, we can get certain values of the list out of the list. So like I was saying before in a previous video about extracting characters out, you can do the same technique using list. So like computers, they count starting with 0, whereas with humans we start with 1. So this is the first element within the list, but the computer considers it as the 0th element in the list. So if we want to get Monday out of here, so we would type in weekdays 0 close parenthesis, and then as you can see here, we got Monday. And then you can do the same thing. If we want to get Thursday out, we can you got to do the offset. So like I was saying in another video, count up all the elements that are in the list, and whatever element that you want, subtract 1 from it, and then you'll get that value from you'll get the value from it. So in our case, there are 5 days of the week, but we want Thursday. So we want to do 0, 1, 2, 3. So that'll get us Thursday. So as you can see here, there's Thursday. Now if we want to be able to change one of the values out of the list, we can just do weekdays and then specify which one we want to change. So if we want to change out Monday and put Sunday as the start of the week, we would just do this command here. So weekdays, change the 0th element in the list, which is Monday, and change that to Sunday. And now we can take a look at what value is in the 0 spot of the list. And as you can see, Sunday. Now we can look at the entire list and see what is in there. So as you can see up here, it was Monday, and by using this command here, it changes it to Sunday. So now it is Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that is the basics of working with list.